Okay, Leo. So I was going to reshuffle, but my intuition is like, no, just do it. So I'm gonna do it. I was trying not to be so heavy in energy because it's such an early start of the day, but it is what it is. The card that came out for you is shooting or shot. All right. When I made this card for just exactly for what it is. Okay. Um, the top of the deck says Border Patrol, so I feel like this has something to do with gun laws. Okay, let's start there, all right? I feel like this has something to do with gun laws or gun reform or something like that here. I feel like there could be a push for new gun laws or gun reform or something like that here. I'm getting a all-time high in killings here. You may come from a state or a town that is high in crime. I'm here in Chicago. There could be something happening with Border Patrol, okay? I feel like if you work for Border Patrol, I see you getting fired. Okay, I'm also getting if you injured someone, like one of these immigrants here. I feel like if you work for Border Patrol, Leo, and you've hurt someone, okay, I feel like you're going to be fired, okay, instantly. There's an incident here where someone here has tried to detain someone illegally, or someone here has detained someone and injured them severely. I'm guessing possibly have shot them here, probably for trying to cross the border. I'm not sure what this is. I'm hearing Mexico, but this could be anywhere. Border Patrol, shooting or shot. Okay, so it's fair to say that there would be needed some type of protection with the Border Patrol card. Maybe you need to implicate some type of security system, or this could be an alarm or cameras here, especially if you live in a high crime area. Okay. I'm getting if you work in the judicial system, I'm getting like police here. Or something about the legal system. I feel like there's going to be a huge significant change over a shooting, over someone getting shot here. Someone here is going to get fired here. Yeah, with the quickness, and then it says destined encounter. I'll be very honest with you, Leo. When I first pulled the card shooting or shot, I keep hearing this song, and I had did a reading. Sometimes I do readings and I don't post them at all because I'd be so scared. But I heard this rock song. I forget who sang it. Maybe Papa Roach, I'm not sure. But it goes, let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. And I swear I sat down, I threw my camera on, and it was all about like a, I want to choose my words carefully, but it was like mass killings. Mass killings, mass shootings, like it was. I kept hearing the word massacre, massacre, massacre. I didn't understand. So there is something here happening in regards to that. I feel like you're part of this. Maybe you work for the government. Maybe you're in the Army, Navy. I don't know. Air Force here. But there's a lot of killings. I feel like a lot of death is on the rise right now. I'm also getting someone here will be held accountable for someone's death or multiple deaths. I'm hearing it's the chain in command. Eight of Pentacles. So yeah, this has something to do with someone's work. If someone's doing corruption at work, Like I said, you must work in the judicial system, you must work in the Navy, the Army, the Air Force, or you work for Border Patrol. I'm getting, if you hurt someone here, if you shot someone, I feel like the chain of command will not be on your side. They will not help you. Because I feel like what you did was try to do something corruptive. Like, I don't even know if corruptive is the word. I think you did something that was corrupt. And then you tried to sweep it under the rug. I feel like there's 4 people. I feel like, now here's the thing. I feel like you play a significant role too. So I feel like you are number 4 on the ring to where there's 8 others above you. So the higher ups will not be helping you. Just, yeah, they're going to lead you out to hang. They're going to hang you. Not literally. But I feel like someone here is going to let you fend for yourself. They're not going to support you. Because whatever you did was horrible. Or whatever this person is doing is horrible. I feel like someone here could be dealing with a case where someone got shot. I feel like there was 4 people shot here. At a job. I feel like someone here failed to take action, or, yeah, someone failed to take action, or someone failed to do something quickly. I'm hearing to give a command or something like that. You did nothing. 8 of Wands in reverse. You didn't control the situation. You did nothing. Justice card in reverse. I feel like, and you use lies to cover up the truth. But I feel like whoever is above you, I feel like they're going to make a decision to fire you and maybe even hold you accountable for your actions. I feel like something was not a part of the job. But you're trying to patrol something to go in your favor, or this person is. I feel like someone here is lying, manipulating. Sila. Someone here is doing something completely unfair with the Justice card in reverse. They don't want you to have your justice. Or I feel like this has something to do, yeah, with the military, the Navy, the Army. Someone here could be going into this career here. They're going to make it so hard for you. Because they just want to control you. I feel like what the shooting or shot is that's what you was going to give. You was going to give it a try. But because the way someone has making it so hard or taking an advantage of you, I feel like you don't want to do this anymore. But I feel like it's hard to get out of this. And I feel like when you try to get out, they try to hang you. But I feel like you get someone fired. Justice card, please. Yeah, the Magician. You take action to someone that's very powerful. Extremely. The Tower card. It blows up in their face. This may actually have something with a literal murder, a shooting, or something like that. Whoever's working on the case, I feel like it's a Scorpio or an Aries. This has something to do with the shooting. I feel like this Scorpio, this Aries, they're not going to let someone get away with whatever the situation was. They're going to put a lot of time and focus on this case. They're not going to, I'm hearing they're not going to let it go cold. Because I feel like someone here is up against people that are hiding evidence or hiding information, or I feel like people are working against this person to figuring out or completing the case, but that won't happen. I feel like it just takes some time, like 8 to 10 months. It could even take a year, but it's okay. A major breakthrough in the case. Or someone gets fired and then they get held accountable, because I feel like there's others out there here that have gone through this same thing. So if you're over abusing your authority, or if you're dealing with someone here that's abusing their authority, their power, it's okay. You will get justice, even if the situation feels out of your control or unfair right now. That's what I got for you.